Onye Obodo, you are tribalistic. Onye Obodo, you are this. Onye Obodo, you are that. Onye Obodo, why are you supporting evil? Because maka na Igbo okoko. Ọ na-amara ọrụ ya ọmara ihe a na-alụ. Before can I know this statement, but I don't want to believe it and I don't want to join that ideology. But it's beginning to be obvious that this is the truth. That the problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. The problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. It is beginning to be obvious. It's beginning to be obvious now our agenda. No, na Ndi Igbo. Due to hatred, everyone know. I ask people anya ka ifia. Onye bese n'ịchọ nwanne m mkpochiri n'azụ nwanne m mana ntọ mana ọdịmma support ya mbụrụ tribal bigot mbụrụ na support ihe ọjọọ. The same thing Nnamdi Kanu mee ka the same thing Ndi Igbo mee. Ebe ka Ndi Igbo onye Yoruba nọ today. Ebe ka Nnamdi Kanu nwanne anyị nwoke nọ today. The people that proscribe IPOB terrorist group abroad the Yoruba, all Ndi Igbo, all Igbo governors, Nokolono, one terrorist group. So Ndi Igbo was arrested, Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, the Yoruba, all the Yoruba elites, monarchs, religious leaders, Ndolulu Noku, Jebe meeting, Nabaran Tepu, Baba. So Ndi Igbo have to go today. Nnamdi Kanu, any one of his video, ever make his statements, see the hot or Benya. Or hands off the agitation. Here you know, one of the senior ego, or senior government America. Here you know what behavior benefits the masses, especially people from the southeast. Lauren I Wolf, Lauren I Inca, Lauren I Hospital, Lauren I Inca. At least I remember that video. 6 things go name that will benefit the masses. Bill and a friend about the issue, first segment of issue. Till people like us say the code word the handwriting, but also he was not just attacking Bilon, he was attacking Igbo businesses. Or just use what Bilon at a grand come on or your work. Manatile Kabo your call work. If that's it, you will crash price of things. How if I need it? You try say a crash a high price of fuel that will benefit everybody. Crash a high price of hospital bill, price of school fees. Price of cement. Cement is selling over 10,000 per bag. About the price of iPhone and bicycle. All those things are not essentials. Ndi Igbo na into business for the handwriting. You code HYou order upon Ababa. Because 80% of importers in Nigeria put Ndi Igbo. But till then, till that time, till now, price of the car crash go rugi. I use now your brain. Each one of the attack is on period. The attack on period. City boys, you know city boys in Yoruba. If you go there, I say them city boys. City boys movement was set up for you Igbos to fight your own brother. Not to talk for presidencies. As simple as APCB, take it or leave it. How about Ania? Why not the Yoruba them city boys? Why not outside them city boys? Why not Ndi Igbo ka holo? Ndi Igbo if you be influential ka holo, teen city boys that will confuse and convince the masses against their own brother na apụta. Put the only candidate to the onye ọbụla asụ. Ghana prison, whatever numbers of Ndi Igbo na prison and the other tribes na prison. Terrorists, Ndi Boko Haram Ejidefa. Imagine a terrorist group. Terrorist group we prescribe as terrorist group. Ejide no judgment, but one news will go. Manage the Boko Haram. No judgment. Nothing. About HYou rehabilitation or HYou orientation. After 2 weeks, ye have one day a row and a military. This is what is going on in your country. Manona Amaho. I don't know why it's supporting period. Aka. I got one name. Come with so I have to send my brother out. Come with please, mother. Come with please. You job me on your job therefore let nobody speak for you. We will be on the first segment. The first segment. People start speaking up. When you attacked his business he may attack because of his business. You went as far as bragging you will crash solar panel, keke, And that this is not the problem of Nigeria. What a price of this only the afia to a problem of Nigeria. When I bought my phone and go off phone, from 2 vendors, only onion price, only onion price. At the end of the day, the more Jack I'm choose you. Also, I'm going to rice. Also, I'm rice 10 million. Each one he go reach away. Gaba, I'm going down today when he said we would go iPhone XR, D-Rod version 5 million. I took all the when he see he price of you in oil. Now food the one again. The best way I'm making would you like to put to a price? Marketing strategy. Copy in a milk. Bring your luna milk like a pick milk cooler. Bring a pick milk cooler. A cow pen, bring a cow pen like a trek. All of them price in key. All the Zara phone and key due to price competition. Would you like to put to what are the attack the business? You call him a thief and a scammer. Can't go see a thief, not a laugh. Also, yes. It's the same coca. What is here and get it? I'm beginning to dive into that ideology that the biggest problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. Because so an Igbo man can use super. Very like man be a Lord. Super like us, because we saw the handwriting. I remember I drive it too. The same very like man be able to show where the Yoruba bloggers need you up. Say you can't try it with our brother. Expose what very like man. Maybe our wax is our wax is here. You come me what I say now. Say if you watch that chat, I say now. Say that chat yes. Instead of showing them I say now. Say on our phone go akarigo. Show where have not been finished or maxed. On our sabbatical leave for 10 days. If there's some why supporting B, why supporting B Lord? B Lord is my friend and my brother in good, in bad, and in horrible times. I will stand behind him. That's what friends do for friends. It's as simple as that. I like my friendship with him or my support with him. What? How do I work you? Don't worry, the election will Chineke mera ya amana. Chineke mera ya amana. Ke wolu presidential ticket nye Peter Obi. That is when you will see the real truth here in Nigeria plan rule Ndi Igbo. Just come on down. It's a matter of time. Let in a fridge. Come on down. Even when Nina bring go down, check me bring her down. All their same brother. Because one day you use, all the moon can you use. West Town. Every time I try another influential Igbo man. Who you go yapota? Take out of them kepu no go some pitchy bloggers and content creators and to write rubbish against Alex Oti. Ọbụna Yoruba blog ya ebie unu nwa bụkwa ndị Igbo ka anyị eji wee gbakwa Alex Oti mgba. Come on down. Nwayọ everything ya na-review. When Buhari after for presidency, eze na ukpo gwara ndị Igbo anyị come on down. Anyị tụnyere Buhari na after Buhari no olusi anyị. Buhari achị ya Tinubu bịa ofu ihe aka anyị ka na-akọ. Jee na ihe yo na-edochie na-ede about Peter Obi. Yo na-edochie na-ede about his own brother because of politics. Onye ya use. Onye Yoruba ya dadele gị ya. Anyị achọ ndị ime ụlọ ya dade ma ndị si na Tinubu ya enweta 10,000 votes in the next election. Ọ ha wakịta ka a na-use si. Since 1960 till now, how many years? An Igbo man apụbe an elected president of Nigeria. Onye nke bịa was just a ceremonial president. Zik, Omuopo Oji. Onye jipo Obotafa Belewa. An Igbo man. It has never called for a consign for anyone Igbo race. It will not. Because I know about Igbo ka echiko wa gbakwa nwaanyị mgba. Nwayọ. Ọ bụrụ na ihe a plan against Billboard work, almost all the importers in Nigeria now will be seen shaking. All the importers in Nigeria bụ ndị Igbo ya na-afụ shaking. Ma ọ bụrụ na ọ work. Mana chi anyị mụ anya.